Hi guys, thank you for stopping by to our channel and welcome to Bezel's Kitchen and More. Today we'll be making our seafood boil with all this yummy stuff. For our boil, we have lobster, crab, and all the seafood stuff we sourced at Walmart at a very reasonable price. So we have corn, sausages, potatoes, and herbs and spices. We're gonna boil our corns a little bit, so let's season the pot. So first we put some green onion and some pimento to give it good flavor. Also, we have our onions as well to flavor the pot so it can be really good. We're also gonna add a little seasoning and then we're gonna add our corn and boil it for like 20 minutes, okay? And make sure you're being safe when you're doing this because the water is very hot. So the corn is going to be boiling for 20 minutes. Then we're going to add our potatoes after. Taking the corn, it's boiling, looking so good, it smells so yummy. So now we're adding the potatoes because the corn has been boiling for the last 20 minutes. And we're also going to add the sausages. I switched the pot so to ensure that everything fits. So here we'll be adding the crab to the lobster for it to boil for a few minutes. Last minute, I've also decided to saute a mushroom and the shrimp together. That will be delicious. So now we're adding the shrimp and we're going to saute them together with the mushrooms. And then we're going to add some seasoning. While the shrimp and mushroom cook, let's take a peek at the corn and other stuff in that pot. Divine, the smell is amazing. So everything is done and it's time to compile everything in one big container for the oven. After all the seafoods are added together, I'll add 2 tablespoons of butter. That will give the food additional flavor. Right at this moment, it is smelling divine. I can't wait for this to be out of the oven. Combination has now been completed and it's time for the oven. So it's finished and now it's time to taste. Mr. Cameraman, do you want to be the taster?
Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna taste the food. It's good.
I made some sauce right there from the boiling of the lobster and the crab. It's a little bit spicy, so be careful.
Okay.
And it's hot as well.
But so far I tasted the shrimp, so man, it's like food kill me.
It's good? Awesome. Again, thank you for stopping by at Becel's Kitchen and More. And if you like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.